dito sa dako na lang eh.
Dari na lang oh. Dito, dako na lang magtunas. Dito. Basa na ako! Basa na ako! Ito po kami sa Admiralty for Quest and Strand. So, bali, magpupunta po kami sa park ng Admiralty. Ito ang kasama ko, si Jitot at saka ang kapatid si Lorena. So, now we're going to Admiralty Park. Ang ganda pala ng mga view dito, kaso lang nakakatakot. Dumagadugdug. Parating na ang ulan. So, paano namin ma-enjoy kaya yung buhay namin pag uulan So, ang gaganda ng place kahit na malayo pa. Nakikita po namin yung kagandahan ng park. So, pwede ditong dumaan. Ayan. So, ngayon, ang ganda ng place. So, dumagadugdug po yung, yung panahon. So, now, let's do it! See the Admiralty Park. Wow. Ang ganda oh. Hi, Jitot!
Hi!
Hi, Lorena!
Hello!
Ako din oh, pakita nito para kunwari. Sige.
Madami akong bit-bit!
Let's see the park and we So, here I am. Ayun na. So now, rain is coming. So I don't know where we can go and play. Hi! So, dito po. Tumatakbo na yung kapatid ko pero yung ulan is parang bubuhos na. So, ang ganda ng place oh. So, dito na. Ha? Oo. So, madami pa siyang playground na kay gandang ikot-ikotan siya. So, pwede kang sumakay at mag-ride. So, here we are in Admiralty. Now, my sister is going up and down. So, lovely place. Ato. Now, pwede kang umakyat doon sa taas. And then, you go down. Oh. Halikod. Jitot! So now, it's a akyatan. Then doesn't happen. It's a good place to play with the children. And then, you can go and play here. So, you can go and drive. Then, oh God, it's like something wrong now. So, madami pong pwede mong laruan. It's getting rain. Oh, where's we can stay?
Wala!
Oh, so ganito po dyan guys. So, madami po siyang malaruan here. The Admiralty. So you can go in and ride in this place. So like that. My braids like this, like this. So like that. Here we are. And so like that happen. So in that other side also. Hi Jay.
Hi. Let's go play.
Let's go and play. It's raining, it's calm. You going up. So dahil umulan na po. Let's see my step. So, let's enjoy and ride. Falling down. So, then this one also, you can go inside. Then go and slide. Slide and slide. So, this is what happened. So, this is the view of the Admiralty Park. So, marami po siyang mga player. There some rolling please. There. Yeah. So this one, you can go down this place. If you go on the
Help me!
then
Help me!
this one,
Help
someone
me!
see the go down and see that help me, help me.
Help me!
The someone is inside. See, go up. Oh no. Oh my goodness!
Hello!
Say, they go up from down to top.
Oi, let us leave now!
You're enjoying to see, it's good and nice. See, so they are playing and climbing from the top to the bottom. Sabi na, you can go down now. So ganun. Ang ganda. Yay! Ito po. It's a nice place at all. But only the problem is go and rent too much. Jetot. Yes? Ganun o. Parang ako. Sige. Diyan ka lang. Yay! Yay! Let's get wet! Huh? Screenshot na lang ko dito. Oh, sige. Wow! Ganun siya. You can climb like this. Like this. Like a playing children. So it's good to see.
Wee! Down below. Wee!
There's some more.
Wee! Nice, Rex. Nag-involve na po siya ng bata.
Pagod siya na gusto mo mag-slide down sa ibaba. So with enjoying with the children. So now you can see. My camera is
Playful.
oh, ano naman? Kapatid ko pumunta. I don't know.
Nag-vlog din siya.
I don't know where she going. So some more place that we need to go, like a running, what is called running elevator. But we find some more. So that is happening. So it's a very nice place. See a beautiful park is here. So need to like this. So the other person is getting a picture him by herself. Yeah. So ganon yun. So ganon. See you guys, I don't know where's my sister going. No, she already gone. Hi! Ganda ng play nila oh. Yay! Ang tangkad. See? It's a nice.
Go!
Saya. Ang saya. Saya. Happy. I don't know how to say. Ayun din siya totoo. Hindi ko napindot tuloy yung sayo.
Kapityo ka na.
Hello. Yeah, we're very enjoying this one. So we need to eat later. We play again. Ayan. So,
Kati ko ka. Ayan, ang gandang picture ko. Maganda doon sa piha ko. Namitami.
ayun, madaming fish.
Ganda ni ko. Ganda ka ga. Ganda ka ga. Kita. Kunin ko yung lahat ng angle. Yung angle ha.
Oo, lahat.
Yan.
Ayan po.
Konting video ha.
Very nice place at all. It's at Admiralty. So this is the place of Admiralty. It's very nice. Then you can go and turn around. Must be the park.
Naglaro na
So this is very nice at all.
Natawa ako kasi.
Yay! Admiralty place is a very good place and enjoying our vlogs and so nice place. like a children, you know, like a children he's playing. So this is happening and Admiralty Park now. So guys, don't forget to subscribe me, follow and share my vlogs. It's a lovely, see, somebody's picture. My sister liked the picture at everywhere, even in the top of the table. She liked the picture. Wow.
Wait.
We have a photographer also here. Now, yeah. So we have a lot of lists that we haven't yet there. Oh, ayun. Wala, parang mga bata. Ayan. So, ayun, parang mga bata na pa sila. Kasi ang ganda ng... Oo, nagbalik bata sila. Oh, ayan. So now, lus-lus na po kami. So follow me, ha? Ito si Jitot. Hi, Ji! Lorena! Slide only. Hi! Let's go and slide her. Dirita, oh!
Dito sa dako na lang eh.
Dari na lang, oh. Jitot, ako na lang magpunas. Let's go, Jitot! Yay! Basa na ako! Basa na ako! Basa na ako! Mga basa puwit naman. O, tingnan mo. Puwit ko basang-basa. Basa-basa. Basa-basa mo. Ayun. Kasi umuulan nga, guys. Ayun, basang-basa yung mga puwit namin. Nagpadalasas po kami. Akit tayo ulit dito. Oo, ayun. So, balik kung gusto mo magpadalastas dito. Ayun.
Ano yung tsura ng puwit ko?
Oh, yung itsura ng puwit niya. Oo, so, puwit. Ay, basang-basa. Yun, ayun siya. Maganda, pero maganda. Magaon dito. Balang.
Ay, pakita. Picturean ko kayo isa-isa.
Ikaw na muna yung pagkaon. Doon nakatupuan siya pa.
Picturean mo na kita. Maganda ganito. Ay, ang ganda.
Jet, dito, kakapaitan mo muna.
Sige. Frexcyjoy. Ang ganda. O, sige, swing na. Dali. Wee!
Ayan.
Hindi siya makasing.
Tuyan mo nga. Ayan.
Okay. Hawakan mo rin ito. Hawakan mo rin ito. Ayan, pwede po kayo mag...
Paano ito ba ito?
Yung cellphone mo, nagsiswing din. Pwede rin mag-bike.
Balik tayo dito. So this is happening in Admiralty Park now. So guys, don't forget to subscribe me, follow and share my vlogs. It's a lovely.